Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A54 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings and click on Connections at the top. Now scroll all the way down to access more connection settings. Then click on Printing. Select Default Print Service and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you want to use different print service, firstly disable this one by tapping on this blue switcher. Then tap on the back button and select Download plugin. Now just install the best print service for you, and when it's ready, select the back button twice. Lastly, click on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!